In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Udemy course curriculum before enrolling on desktop. If you're deciding whether a course is right for you, previewing the curriculum on a desktop browser is one of the quickest ways to check the scope, structure, and time commitment before you enroll. Here's exactly how to find it and what to look for. Start by opening your desktop browser and going to udemy.com. Using a desktop view makes this process easier because the course landing page clearly shows the curriculum section. In the search bar, type the topic or the exact course name you're interested in. On the results page, you'll see course cards with a title and brief summary. Click the course title or the card itself to open the full course landing page. Once you're on the course page, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Course Content, Curriculum, or something similar. This is the preview you want. In this area, you'll see the list of sections and lecture titles laid out in order. You'll also notice item types such as videos, quizzes, practice tests, or assignments. These labels help you understand how the course teaches and assesses material. Alongside the titles, you'll see the total hours or overall length of the content, which is useful for estimating the time you'll need to complete the course. Altogether, this outline shows what the course covers before you enroll, so you can confirm that the topics match what you want to learn and at the depth you expect. Before making a decision, take a moment at the top of the page to read the What You'll Learn section for a quick overview of the goals and outcomes. Then check the Requirements section to see if there are any prerequisites or recommended experience. These two areas help set expectations so you're not surprised later. Finally, scroll through student reviews to hear how others felt about the curriculum. Reviews can provide context on whether the content is organized, up to date, and aligned with the course description. Combine what you learn from the curriculum outline with these sections, and you'll have a clear picture of whether the course fits your needs. That's it. Go to Udemy, search your course, open the landing page, and scroll to the course content or curriculum section to preview the full structure before you enroll. With these tips, you'll be able to choose confidently and start learning with a course that matches your goals.